Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to open Tesla key fob. Firstly, place the key fob button side down on a soft, non-abrasive surface to prevent scratches. Using a small flat blade tool, gently pry up the bottom plastic cover and look for the small indentation or seam to insert your tool. Gently pop it off. Be careful not to damage the edges or tabs. Now carefully lift the battery away from the retaining clips and do not touch the flat surfaces with your fingers. This can reduce the battery's life due to skin oils. Now, clean the new battery with a soft cloth and insert it with the plus side facing up. Make sure it's seated securely between the clips. Avoid touching the battery surfaces. Finger oils can shorten its lifespan. Now hold the bottom cover at a slight angle. Align the tabs to cover with the slots on the key fob, then press firmly until it snaps into place. Try locking and unlocking your Tesla car to make sure the new battery works. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.